Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love using Snapchat and want to elevate your snapping game, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the ultra wide mode on Snapchat for both Android and iOS devices. This feature is a game changer for capturing more of your surroundings in a single snap. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Ultra wide app is a relatively new feature and you'll need the latest version of the app to access it. Once you've updated Snapchat, open the app, you'll land right on the camera screen, which is where all the magic happens. To switch to ultra wide mode, you need to access the camera settings. Look for the double arrow or the plus icon right on the screen, just above the camera button. This icon represents the ultra wide mode. Tap on the double arrow icon. The camera will instantly switch to ultra wide mode, allowing you to capture more of your surroundings. It's perfect for landscapes, ground photos, or when you want to get that extra bit of scenery into your snaps. If you don't see the double arrow icon, it could mean that your device doesn't support the ultra wide mode, or it might be disabled in the Snapchat settings. And that's pretty much it. You can now use the ultra wide mode to make your snaps more captivating than ever.